Welcome back, gorgeous mama. Have you been wondering, how do other moms use essential oils? Like real moms with real testimonies on how they use kid-safe essential oils. We've got you. In this video today, you're going to hear from other moms and their real stories of how they've used kid-safe essential oils on their kids. Make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Stick around to the end of the video. I have a really amazing free thing for you.
Hi, I want to share with you about an essential oil blend called In Tune. This is our focus blend, and it just really helps to bring our mind back in play where we need it to be when we're just kind of feeling scattered and all over the place. So we apply it to the back of the neck and just rub that in. That's the brainstem access area so that we can immediately have absorption into that area. I want to share with you that this was the very first essential oil experience that I had with one of our grandchildren, and he was pretty little at the time and having a hard time staying on task. But I'll tell you, within a week of using this essential oil blend, it made a world of difference for him. So we went from the top scribbling to the bottom of staying on task. So if this is something that you struggle with, I just would suggest that you try our In Tune blend and see how well it can work for you.
Hi, I started using doTERRA when my son was having problems sleeping. He would be fine once he got to sleep, but getting to sleep was a big issue. At the age of 10 or 11, he would stay up till midnight and then have to be up at 6 or 7 in the morning for school. So it was quite a struggle. I met Stephanie, started using the doTERRA frankincense, and it was just a miracle worker. I was able to just put a little bit of the oil on the back of his neck, and he was able to calm down and fall asleep and have a very restful sleep, and it just made everybody's lives much easier. I'm very thankful for the opportunity of the frankincense and doTERRA and all that Stephanie has taught me through the years.
Hi, I'm Robin, and I was asked to share how I use essential oils with my child. We started using essential oils when our son was a newborn. We started using frankincense on the crown of his head, not only to calm him emotionally, but for bonding. And now that our son is 18 months old, we have used essential oils almost daily. When he became mobile and started falling and knocking into things, we have gone through a lot of lavender. We use frankincense on his head as well. But most importantly, we use it when he's about to have a fever or he has come down with a fever. We use lemon, peppermint, and frankincense with a carrier oil on his spine, and that just helps to calm him, soothe him, keep him comfortable, and aid his body and his immune system. I hope that's helpful.
Wasn't it awesome learning from other moms and practical tips on how they use essential oils with their kids? As promised, you can download your free kid-safe essential oil list that you can pin on your refrigerator, have saved to your phone so you know at your fingertips what are kid-safe essential oils. You're gonna find the link for that in the description below and pinned in the comments. Thank you, Mama, you got this.